I'm Gary, and I thought I'd take a few minutes and show you how my install turned out on my brand new DualLiner pickup bed liner. So today is August 3rd of 2019. I received this thing about a month ago. Came in good condition and came out of the box just fine. And I'd already watched the installation video and looked at the instructions, so I got right to work taking the box link hardware out of the inside of the bed, and had to take the tonneau cover off so that it would be easy to get it thing tucked up beneath the bed rails. So if you're watching my video, I'm assuming that you've watched the DualLiner video too, with that gal doing this thing in about 15 minutes. Well, I don't know how long it took me because I didn't start the clock, but I think it took me a whole lot longer to get the insides out, the box link hardware and the tonneau cover, than it did for me to get this beautiful bed liner put in. But it went in easy, fits tight, snug, everything is just like it was custom made for it. Got these built-in LED lights in the bed, and there's an on-off switch there for it too. That was cut out just perfect. The doggone tailgate liner fit like a glove. The rubber mat is as advertised. It's heavy duty, and things don't slide around in there. So my truck is fully usable. I don't have to worry about it getting scarred up for me and later on, or for whoever the next owner is. So I couldn't recommend this product any more highly. It's been in here for a while, and it just works as advertised. So I don't believe you'll be disappointed in your purchase. I know I'm not.